DJI's latest FPV drone, the Avata 2, along with new accessories, the DJI Goggles 3 and Remote Controller 3, offers an unmatched flight experience suitable for both beginners and professional FPV pilots. Featuring rock steady and horizon steady for steady flight, one-push flip, roll, and drift maneuvers, along with DJI's O4 transmission protocol, the Avata 2 guarantees an immersive experience and user-friendly operation for pilots of all levels. With its 1/1.3-inch sensor capturing 4K video up to 60 frames per second or slow-motion 2.7K video up to 100 frames per second, and DJI's D-Log M color mode for enhanced dynamic range, the Avata 2 delivers exceptional image quality. Additionally, it offers 46 GB of internal storage and Wi-Fi connectivity for efficient file transfer. The Avata 2 sets a new standard for FPV drones. Starting at $999 for the Fly More Combo Kit, which includes the Avata 2 FPV drone, Goggles 3, and RD Motion 3 controller, and $1,199 for the Fly More Combo Kit with 3 batteries and a two-way charging hub.